Hello students, our next topic is interpreting a balanced chemical equation. Interpret means explaining the meaning. Balanced chemical equation through weight. They can express in four types: mass-mass relationship, mass-volume relationship, volume relationship, mass-volume number of molecules relationship, etc. According to the law of conservation of mass, when a chemical reaction occurs, the mass of the reactant should be equal to the mass of the products. A balanced chemical equation occurs when the number of atoms involved in the reactant side is equal to the number of atoms in the product side. Now let us discuss the first concept, mass-mass relationship. If it is given in the form of balanced chemical equation, for example, suppose that you are asked to calculate the amount of aluminium required to get 1120 kg of iron by below equation. It is that aluminium plus iron oxide Fe2O3 gives rise aluminium trioxide Al2O3 plus Fe iron. So the given equation is not balanced. So first of all we have to balance. According to the table formation, E for element, R for reactants, P for product. Aluminium on left hand side, reactant side 1 and product side 2. Iron left hand side 2 and product side 1. Oxygen 3. So that is what we are discussing. Aluminium left hand side 1 and Fe2 is 1, left hand side 2, and aluminium right hand side, this is right hand side, this is left hand side. So in order to balance, 2 aluminium plus Fe2O3 gives rise Al2O3 aluminium trioxide plus Fe. Here aluminium 2 on product side, aluminium, so balancing coefficient we are using 2 aluminium. Here reactant side Fe2 but product side Fe1, so balancing 2Al plus Fe2O3 gives rise Al2O3 plus 2Fe. Atomic masses of aluminium 27U, Fe 56U, oxygen 16U. 2 aluminium gives rise to Fe. 2 into 27 gives rise to 2 into 56. 54U gives rise 112U. U means unified mass. If it is expressed in grams, atomic weight, gram atomic weight, GAW, 54 grams of aluminium gives rise 112 grams of iron. X grams of aluminium gives rise 1120, converting into kilograms 1000. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 because it is given in kilograms. So 1120 into 1000 grams. Doing cross multiplication, X grams is equal to 1120 into 1000 grams into 54 grams by 112 grams. 112 grams, 1 10 so 10 into 1000 we get 10,000 into 54 grams. So overall multiplying 5,40,000 grams or converting into kilograms 540 kg. Moving to the second example, calculate the volume, mass, number of masses of hydrogen, number of molecules of hydrogen liberated when 230 grams of sodium reacts with excess of water at STP, standard temperature pressure. Atomic mass of sodium 23U, oxygen 16U and hydrogen 1U. According to the above problem, sodium reacts with water, gives rise sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. The balanced chemical equation for the above reaction is, because above equation is not balanced, so we should make the balance. 2 sodium plus 2 H2O gives rise to sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. So both sides now it is balanced. 2 into sodium, atomic weight is 23, 2 into water 18, 2 into sodium hydroxide, sodium is 23, oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1. Hydrogen 2 into 1, 2 hydrogens are there, therefore 2 into 1, overall we get 46, 36, 80 gives rise 46, 36, 82. As per the above equation, above question express in GAW, gram atomic weight. First one, mass. 46 grams of sodium gives 2 grams of hydrogen. 230 grams of sodium gives how much grams of hydrogen? So doing cross multiplication, 230 grams into 2 grams by 46. 2 ones are 2, 23s are 23 ones are 23 tens are. So 10 grams of hydrogen we are getting mass. Next one, volume. 1 gram molar mass of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters. It means 2 grams of hydrogen occupies 22.4 liters at STP. We got 10 grams of hydrogen. So therefore 10 grams of hydrogen occupies how much liters of STP? Cross multiplication again. 10 into 22.4 liters by 2 grams. 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 into 22.4 liters. Doing simplification, 112 liters. The number of moles gas contains 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. Avogadro's number. 2 grams of hydrogen. That means 1 mole of hydrogen contains 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. 10 grams of hydrogen contains how much? Again cross multiplication. 10 into 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 into 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 get 30.10 into 10 to power of 23 molecules. We can write as 3.10 into 10 to the power of 24 molecules.